Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the AC control on a 2006 Lincoln Navigator. And the problem that we have, it's this button stuck right there. You can move it, it got stuck, and the AC is running all the time when the customer doesn't want to. We're gonna replace that with this good looking button. I couldn't find a nice AC control. You don't need to program this one, but if you find the same one for you, you just swap it and there's no need to program it, just plug and play. But on this one I'm gonna remove it and disassemble it and use the little button that I have to make it work. This is a non-working module, and I'm just gonna use it for parts. Stay tuned how to remove this bezel, and for that we have to remove the skull panel. There's a clip behind it, we just have to pop it, remove, flip this, then take off the center bezel console. And once you take this out, the console on here is gonna come off. Alright, so I already took this part out. You just have to push it up, pry it out with this, and it has two clips only right there. Those are the clips, and you just have to disconnect them, and then you have to remove these bolts. I believe they are 7mm bolts. You take this off, and before that you have to take this bezel off first, like this. I'm gonna show you. You have to take it like that. Just push it out, push it out, push it out, and it comes right off. Take that, then you can take off the screws, and then you're gonna lift it up. Once you've taken off the screws, the thing just becomes really loose, and you can do is just lift it like this. Use the pry bar like this. Just put it on the side, and then, and it's really hard with one hand. Just lift it, or you can pull it. Just pull it back like this, and then it comes right off. And now you have everything free to remove. Right here there's two screws on there, that one, and then there's the other one right there. You have to remove those, and once you remove them, then the whole thing's gonna come off. And if you need to, you can move the shifter backwards, so you can work on it. Got this. Take off the screw, put it somewhere safe, then you take off the other one. Again, you can use electric tool, or you can use a regular hand tool, whatever works for you the best. And once you're already here, you can take a look for fallen coins in the tray or something. Alright, so as you can see, everything's loose now. Just take off all this, and there's gonna be obstructions all the time for the connections. We need to remove this connection over here, that connection for the cigarette lighter. Those are really hard to remove, they're really tight. But with the right force, you can remove it. this thing. We'll put it here, and there's a lot of plastics behind it, so you have to be really careful not to break anything. There's the middle. Like I said, you have to remove the shifter. Put your handbrake always, and then you can move the shifter upwards. Just can work freely now. As you can see, everything's coming apart nicely. Really nice. And there's this connection right here that it's a little bit hard to remove. It's just a connection that you just spin. You can use pliers to spin it and then pull it back. Try to use my hands. There we go. It's a little light. The ashtray, and I believe I have to use some pliers to remove it. It's really hard to take it off with just one hand, and I think I just managed to loosen this thing, and here it is, already off. And the control is here, all of it. Now you can put everything back together. You can remove your key for that annoying sound. And now to take it off, there's some screws behind right here, also 7mm screws that we have to take off. And I lied, these are 5.5mm screws. And here we have the control already out. You can see it's not working, so I'm gonna disassemble this and try to fix it. Now that we fixed the control, I'm gonna turn it on, make sure everything works fine. There we go. AC works fine now. AC works, it's good. So the problem is fixed. This is how you replace and fix the AC control module on a 2006 Lincoln Navigator. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.